Welcome back to our series on pelvic floor health for men over 40. In part 1, we covered foundational exercises, and now we're ready to elevate your routine with intermediate stretches. These next-level movements are designed to further strengthen and increase the flexibility of your pelvic floor, building on the basics you've already mastered. Remember, consistency is key, and always listen to your body. If any stretch causes pain, ease off or consult a healthcare professional. Our first intermediate exercise is the elevated bridge with pelvic floor engagement. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on a slightly elevated surface like a yoga block or low step. As you lift your hips towards the ceiling, simultaneously engage your pelvic floor muscles, imagining you're stopping the flow of urine and holding back gas. Hold this contraction for 5 to 8 seconds at the top, then slowly lower your hips and release the pelvic floor. Repeat for 8 to 10 repetitions. Next, we'll try the bird dog with pelvic floor activation. Start on all fours, hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Engage your core and pelvic floor. Then slowly extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, keeping your back flat and hips level. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, focusing on maintaining that pelvic floor engagement. Then return to the starting position. Alternate sides for 8 to 10 repetitions on each side. This exercise not only strengthens your pelvic floor, but also improves core stability and balance, crucial for overall functional movement. Now, let's move to the deep squat with pelvic floor release. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Slowly lower into a deep squat, as deep as comfortable, allowing your pelvic floor to naturally relax and lengthen at the bottom of the movement. Use your breath to aid in this release, inhaling as you descend and exhaling as you return to standing. Perform 8 to 12 repetitions. This stretch is excellent for improving hip mobility and promoting a healthy, relaxed pelvic floor, which is just as important as strengthening. Our next exercise is the happy baby pose, modified for comfort. Lie on your back, bring your knees towards your chest, and grasp the outsides of your feet or ankles. Gently pull your knees towards your armpits, keeping your lower back pressed into the floor. Feel a gentle stretch in your inner thighs and groin. Hold this pose for 30 to 60 seconds, focusing on deep, diaphragmatic breathing to encourage pelvic floor relaxation. This is a great way to release tension. Finally, let's try seated pelvic tilts and circles. Sit comfortably on a chair or the floor with your feet flat. Gently tilt your pelvis forward and backward. Then make small, controlled circles with your pelvis. Focus on the subtle movements of your pelvic bowl. Perform 10 to 15 tilts and 5 to 8 circles in each direction. This helps improve mobility and awareness in the pelvic region. These intermediate exercises are powerful tools for enhancing your pelvic floor health, leading to improved bladder control, sexual function, and overall well-being. Integrate these into your routine 3 to 4 times a week, alongside the foundational exercises from Part 1 for optimal results. Remember, progress takes time and patience. Celebrate small victories and stay committed to your health journey. We encourage you to share your experiences and any questions you have in the comments section below. Your feedback helps us create more valuable content tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips for men over 40. We're dedicated to helping you maintain an active and healthy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us for Part 2 of our pelvic floor stretch series. Stay tuned for Part 3, where we'll explore advanced techniques to further optimize your pelvic health. Until then, keep moving, keep stretching, and prioritize your well-being.